on Laruelle Schmid in Emory University. So, this presentation is a sort of manual for orienting ourselves in François Laruelle's non-philosophy. It's organized according to the Tetralogos, an opera of philosophy to be published by Cerf in February. This manual will simultaneously showcase what is novel and what is always been constant in Laruelle's thought. Introduction, the basic concept. The first, the figura serpentinata, la figure serpentine. On n'en a pas encore parlé. In the book on Rabelais, Phénomène and Difference. The full form, Geviert, chez Heidegger, quadripartie, dans le Tetralogos. Heidegger, Nietzsche, Deleuze, Derrida. Ou again, eternal recurrence of the same. The will to power, affirmation and negation with Nietzsche, interpretation of Deleuze and Derrida. The machine textual, this articulation of the internal recurrence, will to power, affirmation, negation. The decline, the jump, the rebound. The principle of Brouwer, hierarchy, sufficiency. The recognition of different orders, science, philosophy, art, technology, mysticism. Then, non-philosophy is a generalization of philosophy without sufficiency. Models are non-Euclidean geometry, and later, after fractalization, the modelization of philosophy when the quantic is introduced in non-standard philosophy, and finally, from the cave to the stars, and the lived without life. Altarpiece. François Laruelle occasionally utilizes the term of altarpiece, a stable and articulated organization which often has religious signification, whether the hinges are that which permits movements and passage. But in another sense, there is a flux of liquid, air, ocean, sand, fish water. Fish water is a term of Muriel Mondrian. All of which presents the waves and the wave forms. There is also the solid and the particles. They are simultaneously stable and moving in the manner made explicit in all of Laruelle's works. Laruelle signals the changes in his philosophy by speaking about waves. It has therefore always been the same ocean. Triptychs. The triptychs are like freezing images to highlight the different ways of Laruelle philosophy, but they are also the sketch of a theory of passages, of flows and of waves. The line of separation are as important as the content of the altarpiece. In the Tetralogos now, the technique, philosophical technique for this passage is extraordinary. Technique amazing. The first triptych. We have now an altarpiece. The gauche, philosophy and classical theories. Philosophy. In the center, the machine to transform. Machine to transform, sufficiency. The dualism will permit to defer to the correlation of opposite terms. Determination of dernier instance, in the last instance. And the first terms, les rules of rewriting and the transfer of the rules of negation. Because the negation is not only on the verb, but on the noun, non-philosophy, and on the adjective, non-standard philosophy. state of philosophy and non-philosophy, who yesterday it was a talk. And at what? The new use of theories with clandestine theology, mysticism. Clandestine theology is a new book, Bloomsbury and Kimmel, for the next year. Clandestine or theology without religion. Aesthetics, ethics, new technological spirit, music, reorganization of relation between the use of theory. And there are the hinges between the first and the center. It is resistance. Resistance of philosophy from to non-philosophy. This resistance is very important for François. But for new non-philosophers, it is not so important. The new non-philosophers are in the right. They talk with the device of non-philosophy without the resistance of philosophy. This is a difference of generations. But for François, the question of the resistance of philosophy is very important. The second hinge is the ordinary. The ordinary is ordinary man, but it is an order from the real to the philosophy. Because the condition of this first critique is the one in one, and vision in one. The one is the condition of the the one is glimpsed in philosophy, Plotin, especially with Heidegger, who did not give it any treatment. Wow. And importance of idempotence, 1 plus 1 is equal to R1, formula of independence. In this way. Negation is extension. And the use of Paul Cohen forcing, yesterday we talked about, utilized independently with value. For whom set theory is fundamental, and in the theory of design of my school in Paris. But for François, forcing is a passage between set theory and physics. C'est not only a creation of new models, but the passage between set theory to physics. Set theory is not eliminated, we will see. The creation of non-philosophy presupposes a resistance from traditional philosophy, which for Laruelle is an important factor in the creation. Voilà, bon, c'est déjà dit, ordinary, top. First term, results in the change of the syntax for dualism. The contraries within each opposition are dismembered, and each of the terms are indirectly related to the real, rid of spontaneous metaphysical and naturalist interpretation. This is the first form of the given without giveness, and in the last, humanity, the new science of ecology, the lived without life. Dualism. The gain of contraries is belittled to the profit of the transcendental, which is its link. Dualism changes syntax. It separates the term or identifies them. But there is no longer a passage from a contrary term to another. Second critique. Cette fois, non-philosophie, non-standard philosophie, philofiction. Non-philosophie, non is in simple separation. With the principle of minority. Non-standard philosophy is a nuanced separation. With the innovation of quantic because François would not model his philosophy by philosophy, as in classical way, but he modeled his philosophy by an exterior point, scientific point, under science. There is no relationship between philosophy and science, but we combine philosophy and science and the sciences, no commutative, no etc. And it is possible to have a modelization of philosophy. This is developed in several texts. One is, you do not know, I think, a book from Nicole Mathieu, it's a geographer, and I, Modelisation and Interdisciplinarity. There are acts of different specialties, and in philosophy, and modelisation in philosophy, it is a long text of François. It was a great travail, I see concepts, knowledge. If we take a philosophical concept and combine with knowledge, scientific knowledge, and scientific knowledge, we can extend the field of philosophy and non-philosophy, the two at the same time. Modelisation, the condition of modelisation is real equal x, and this real equal x is generic human, or human without qualities. This displacement of the noun was first enacted on the noun and the adjective, which allowed not only nuance in the ideas of separation with philosophy. The introduction of the quantic is to enable for the modelization of philosophy something other than an auto-modelization. The knowledge of philosophy places an exteriority. The altarpiece is enriched by containing the form of the matrix, which has more than 2 dimensions. It's not a picture, because there is no reversible. Any multiplication is distinct from the inverse multiplication. So it is a force of creation. Quanta. The quantic leads to a knowledge that no longer directly relates to its object, but by their stages and operators. This produces a generic, which does not depend on any particular discipline, and indirect, of which it does not relate directly to its objects. Epistemology. There are no philosophy of science or of art here. The of reason. No. The generic human is one who is capable at the same time of philosophy, science, art, mysticism, and technology. Variables. What is the pronunciation of variables. With this matrix, difference, it was the term of Deleuze, Derrida, etc., is replaced by the variables. Probabilistic and non-dogmatic philosophy will be developed in the new ecologic science, but the matrix is developed in non-standard philosophy with the introduction of the quality. Known and fusion. Known is not exclusive. You can resume the works of Laruelle. So, known religion, fusion of Gnostic theology and of philosophy under gnosis. This is Further Christ, a lesson in realizing Christofiction. Non-science, fusion of science and philosophy under science. The introduction of generic science, non-standard philosophy, theory of identities, or non-aesthetics, type of artistic activities on philosophy. The concept of photography, photofiction, or non-technology, fusion of philosophy and technology under technology. It's a biography of ordinary men. Non-ethics, fusion of philosophy and ethics under ethics. Ethics of the stranger, theories of stranger, general theory of victims. The third triptych, generic, philosophy quantic. Generic is empirical logical. It's a syntax. Neither true nor false. Syntax and melody. Philosophy is simultaneously empirical and a priori. The link is transcendental. His interpretation is simultaneously set theoretical with Cohen and hermeneutic Heidegger. Cohen plus Heidegger, a combination. Cohen with Heidegger, but to Einstein with Kant, Planck with Marx, allows for passage from set to theory to physics. And all this combination arise new philosophies, contingent philosophy, very different to give to the universe. Cohen, Heidegger, etc. And in quantic, it's the universe. It's the real. Generic is empirical and logic. Universe, quantic is the real and the counterpart in music. So, the reminiscent science. The condition for this, for this is the idea that the third philosophy, generic and quantic, is a new sort of theory of subject, a new sort of elevation in philosophy. This set has the name Reminiscence, non pas réminiscence of Plato, mais reminiscence. The condition, the two hinges are articulated by the one, which surround and unifies, and simultaneously allows the with Planck and Marx, the with, and the without. This set forms the reminiscence, which allows us to foster a link between the syntax of the generic with the real of the universe. This, at the same time, moves from set theory to physics. Philosophy is the body for François. Physics allows to orient towards the universe, and not only towards the world. This allows us to capture the importance of the micro and the macro. Further, the quantic is not about objects, but states of character. This allows us to eliminate ideas that are naturalist, religious, or those of our common sense which encumber philosophy. The generic science is the fusion of science and of the philosophical subject under science. Elevation from generic to quantic, machines and states. A lot of machines. Each machine is new. There is an element of contingency between these machines. Each state corresponds to different philosophy. The sciences of the world, of which we call philosophy, first combines Marx with Planck. And then another machine, just as contingent, which is now completely derivative from what precedes it, combines Kant with Einstein. The Kantian schematism plus EPR paradox included. And the limit of the philosophical machine is equally of the world. Finally, the combination of Nietzsche with Cohen and Einstein, where the real is excluded, is what Laruelle designates as the universe. Each stage begins under a new basis, under another philosophy, but always combined with the science. Fourth technique. There are non-philosophy, non-standard philosophy, and philosophy forced philosophy, from forcing, evidently. Non-philosophy, you have an ordinary human, theorem of the soul, and the based philosophy. Non-standard philosophy, vous avez la généralisée philosophiction with the quantic. And philosophy farcée, generic plus quantic, reminiscence, of which the generic divided between set theory and hermeneutics, and quantic divided between positive science and applied science, articulated to philosophy and to the generic. philosophy and forcing. The first inch is the one, the second is forcing. Method of passing from a generic model to a collection of models. Laruelle used forcing not only for creating news in sets, but to permit the passage between set theory and physics. It's a passage from mathematical forcing to philosophical forcing. First treatment, you have Earth, world, universe, as in the poem. Earth is the place of beings and dust. It is a very, c'est vraiment rare. Comment est-ce qu'on dit rare? Rare. That in philosophy we talk about death. Always death. Here in Tetralogos, birth. Yes. Very important. Originally, the birth originally represents an unripe place of the first class, and rebound, and electron. Well, the place of philosophy, the house of philosophy is in great in the vehicle, in part by that which permits the rebound and the resurrection. Clone, immanent identity and philosophical symptom. Immanent and transcendental operation on the transcendence of the world in the future Christ. Subject external, subject case, and in the universe quantic, link of the real Messiah, the subject is a Messiah. We are all Messiah in the theorem of human assistance. Theory of the subject. Reminiscence as a theory of the subject, the lived without life form, less continuous and ideologic than life. This is a call of the given without giveness and probably of first sense. Given without giveness can perhaps also be one of the origins of the general theory of the victims to avoid the mediation of victimization in intellectuals and power with Philippe Petit. Aleatory subject, clone, and missing. The non-Marxist critique, resumed in Tetralogos. It is a book, Introduction of Non-Marxism, in PUF, sur les PUF. Fundamental causality of infrastructure, principal causality of class struggle, and specific causality in class. So we have universe, grand monad, determinant ixel assistance, fundamental quantic, non-knowing, dual force, intricate to the life of the universe, cosmic unconscious, and finally psychoanalysis for the cosmos. Philosophy, bifacial or intermediate modal, not grand modal, but intermediate modal, dedicated to the operation of genericity. World is non-forced philosophy. Dual medium, dual force, dual medium. Struggle of classes, minimum one term for there to be history. And transcendental, and specific, empirical world, alien, phantom menace, preliminary structure of experience, a priori of possible turning points, virtualization of philosophical composition, ontological existentiality of terrestriality. Laruelle called himself often the son of Marx. Bon. The code. I cannot use the image, all the code. In the top, universe, quantic counterpoint. In the bottom, generic, empirological level. And now the one is just the bridge between the two. Philosophy, usage of the one, and human voice. displacement of the one. The one is displaced. Is no longer the condition of the rules. It allows for passage with grace the unitary character between the real of the universe and the empirical syntax of the generic. There is not the code of Wittgenstein, the alternative doctrine. Here, there is a dynamic. It's not an alternation, it's a dynamic. The sixth technique, verticality. In the last humanity, the triptych passed to verticality. It's the linear sterpetnitata with new step. Birth, but respiration. It's music, respiration. It's a book on respiration. And philosophy is now linked passing from the universe to the earth and returning. Gnosis is state superposed to the extreme thoughts of soul. You have world, evil world, just world, human voice, who is the transcendental. And universe, quantum, real, counterpart. Birth and respiration. Respiration is the condition of verticalization of the triptych. Music is not static as it is seen with picture, with Kandinsky, by Michel Henry. It's a critique of Michel Henry. Michel Henry very static, and there is some, with the respiration, with the music, a dynamic, a new dynamic. Figura serpentinata. This triptych is a reinterpretation of the serpentine line, Figura serpentinata, well known in the art of Michelangelo. See Michelangelo's Moses at St. Pierre in Rome. Freud also commented on Moses. One cannot tell whether Moses is rising in anger or is seated in despair after the spectacle of the idiot adoring the golden calf, while holding the table of the law under his right arm. In this sculpture, which is static but which breathes and is in motion, that is the Figura serpentinata. Voilà. It is Freud said, it is impossible, si nous regardons longtemps, to say if it is for the top or for the bottom. Impossible. And Figura serpentinata was explicit in Michelangelo. It was the idea of grace, but it was an heretic. And in Sixtine Chapel, there is a movement extraordinary in the Jugement Dernier. This is the Figura serpentinata. And we can reinterpret philosophical concepts with this idea. They are fixed, but with a movement. Top, 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 top. The composition. This is what François Laruelle seeks by integrating the idea of paramusical composition into philosophical writing, which will be like the beautiful inaudibility. It is the essence of the concept of Figura serpentinata in constructing a long ascent, as like a range from the cavern to the world, then from the world to the universe. Invention is, as in Bach, superposition of voices. The superposition is these heterogeneous concepts produce an invention of, in the sense of Bach, a superposition of voice which reorganizes the musical material and conducts a philo-musical cogito which reinterprets silence and allows for a new alterity immanent to the sonorous fabricant musical form. Le silence. And finally, in a long descent, since the universe, the insonorous music returns like the level of human subjects. The anthem of Tetralogos is a vast reflection on the musical sense of the human life. Second triptych, Cave of Plato, Lifted Without Life, Theory of the Subject, Stars, the starry sky above the deep. But, as the base, rise of the subject from darkness to the starry sky, which is integrated in the messianic subject. The eighth triptych. This triptych descends at this moment as a part of the universe and the fullness of music ontology. Humans, universe contemplate, transcendental humans, generic melody, an opera of philosophy, in order to make music with concepts. Is a term of Clémence Ramnou, as in the thesis of François, you make music with concept. Clémence Ramnou. Why Tetralogos? All of La Ruelle work is an experimental theme and demands a preparation. It's the first book of the Tetralogos. The second book deals with the theory of reminiscence. The third book deals with the epic of the cave to the stars. The fourth book deals with the vocal messianity as a return to the sky, to the eye, from the sky to the earth. This is the creation of Gilbert Isfer for the cover of Tetralogos. Thank you very much. This is the view from Cerisy, La Salle, where was a decade on La Ruelle, who will be published this year in Garnier, Classic Garnier.